Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the profound impact of minimalism on wealth building. Contrary to popular belief, accumulating wealth isn't just about earning more money, it's also about managing what you have wisely. And minimalism is a key philosophy that has transformed the financial lives of many, including myself. So, let's explore together how simplifying your life can actually lead to more financial success. Stick around, and let's uncover some real nuggets of wisdom. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering physical possessions. It's about simplifying your life to focus on what truly matters. It's a holistic approach that encourages us to streamline every aspect of our existence. By paring down our possessions, commitments, and distractions, we create room to breathe and think. This mental clarity is invaluable when it comes to managing our finances effectively. Think of minimalism as a tool that helps you cut through the noise and focus on what truly adds value to your life. Imagine waking up in the morning to a clutter-free space where every item serves a purpose and brings you joy. With minimalism, you're not weighed down by the burden of maintaining and storing unnecessary belongings. Instead, you're free to invest your time and energy into pursuits that align with your financial aspirations. The process of simplifying your life allows you to identify your true priorities. When you're not overwhelmed by excess, it's easier to discern what matters most to you. This newfound clarity extends to your financial goals. You can clearly see where your money is going and whether it's in alignment with your aspirations. With minimalism, there's a shift in mindset from chasing after material possessions to pursuing meaningful experiences and investments. It's about consciously choosing quality over quantity and recognizing that true wealth isn't measured by the number of things we own, but by the richness of our experiences and relationships. Minimalism encourages us to question our consumerist culture and redefine our relationship with money. Instead of mindlessly accumulating debt to keep up with societal expectations, minimalists prioritize financial stability and freedom. They understand that every dollar spent is a choice that either brings them closer to their goals or holds them back. By living intentionally and mindfully, minimalists are able to allocate their resources in a way that aligns with their values and long-term vision. In essence, minimalism empowers us to live authentically and purposefully, both in our daily lives and in our financial decisions. So, the next time you consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle, remember that it's not just about clearing out your closet, it's about clearing the path to financial success and fulfillment. One of the core principles of minimalism is mindful consumption. Rather than mindlessly acquiring possessions, minimalists carefully consider their purchases, investing in items that align with their values and long-term objectives. This conscious approach to spending not only reduces financial waste, but also cultivates a healthier relationship with money, paving the way for wealth accumulation. When you adopt mindful consumption habits, you become more intentional about where your money goes. You start to differentiate between needs and wants, prioritizing purchases that truly add value to your life. This shift in mindset empowers you to break free from the cycle of impulse buying and instant gratification. Instead of seeking temporary satisfaction through material possessions, you seek long-term fulfillment through experiences and investments. Mindful consumption encourages you to ask yourself important questions before making a purchase, such as whether the item serves a practical purpose or brings genuine joy into your life. By aligning your spending with your values and long-term goals, you avoid wasting money on things that ultimately leave you feeling empty or dissatisfied. Moreover, this conscious approach to spending fosters a sense of gratitude and appreciation for what you already have. Rather than constantly chasing after the next big purchase, you learn to find contentment in the present moment. As a result, you're less likely to overspend or accumulate unnecessary debt, freeing up more resources to invest in your financial future. In essence, mindful consumption is not just about being frugal. It's about being deliberate and strategic with your spending choices. By embracing this principle of minimalism, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for long-term wealth and prosperity. Minimalism advocates for living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debt. By prioritizing needs over wants and embracing frugality, minimalists can accelerate their journey towards financial freedom. Living within your means means spending less than you earn, which is a fundamental principle of sound financial management. It requires discipline and self-control, but the rewards are immense. Minimalists understand that accumulating debt only serves to weigh them down and limit their options in the future. Instead of succumbing to the temptation of instant gratification, they choose to delay gratification and prioritize long-term financial stability. This mindset shift enables minimalists to break free from the cycle of consumerism and live more intentionally. Whether it's paying off loans, credit cards, or mortgages, minimalists approach debt repayment with a sense of purpose and determination. They allocate their resources strategically, focusing on high-interest debt first and making extra payments whenever possible. This proactive approach not only saves them money on interest payments, but also accelerates their journey towards debt-free living. Moreover, by freeing themselves from the burden of debt, minimalists reclaim control over their finances and gain a greater sense of autonomy. They no longer feel trapped by monthly payments or beholden to creditors. Instead, they have the freedom to allocate their resources towards building wealth and pursuing their passions. In essence, minimalism empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destiny and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. By embracing frugality and living within their means, minimalists pave the way for a brighter financial future and greater peace of mind. With a minimalist lifestyle comes increased financial bandwidth. By minimizing expenses and maximizing savings, minimalists have more resources to allocate towards investments and wealth-building opportunities. When you adopt a minimalist mindset, you become more intentional about your spending habits, focusing on what truly adds value to your life and cutting out unnecessary expenses. This disciplined approach not only allows you to live within your means, but also creates a surplus that can be directed towards investments. Whether it's investing in the stock market, real estate, or entrepreneurship, minimalists leverage their financial resources to generate passive income and long-term wealth. The principles of minimalism provide a solid foundation for making strategic financial decisions and maximizing returns. Minimalists prioritize investments that align with their values and long-term goals, avoiding speculative ventures with high risks. Instead, they seek out opportunities that offer stable returns and growth potential, ensuring a sustainable path to financial success. By adhering to these principles, minimalists can build a resilient financial portfolio that withstands market fluctuations and supports their desired lifestyle. In essence, minimalism empowers individuals to take control of their finances, optimize their resources, and build a secure financial future. Beyond the tangible benefits, minimalism fosters an abundance mindset, a belief in the inherent abundance of life, regardless of material possessions. When you embrace minimalism, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. By simplifying your life and decluttering both physically and mentally, you create space for gratitude and contentment to flourish. Instead of constantly chasing after the next material possession, minimalists find fulfillment in the simple joys of life. The warmth of a morning cup of coffee, the laughter of loved ones, the beauty of nature. This shift in perspective allows them to appreciate the richness of their experiences and relationships, regardless of their financial status. As a result, minimalists tend to be happier and more content with their lives, regardless of their material wealth. This contentment radiates outward, attracting more positivity and abundance into their lives. When you approach life with an abundance mindset, you're more open to recognizing and seizing opportunities for growth and prosperity. You're not limited by scarcity or fear, but instead, you see possibilities everywhere. This positive outlook attracts like-minded individuals and opens doors to new connections, collaborations, and ventures. Moreover, an abundance mindset encourages you to take calculated risks and pursue your dreams with confidence. You understand that setbacks are temporary, and setbacks are part of the journey towards success. By embracing this mindset, minimalists create a virtuous cycle of abundance, where gratitude begets contentment, which in turn attracts more opportunities for wealth and prosperity. In essence, minimalism is not just about owning less, it's about living more fully and authentically, embracing the abundance that surrounds us, and unlocking the potential for limitless growth and fulfillment. In conclusion, minimalism isn't just about having less, it's about living more intentionally. By simplifying your life, practicing mindful spending, and prioritizing financial freedom, you can unlock the true potential of wealth accumulation. So, embrace minimalism, not only as a lifestyle, but as a powerful tool on your journey to financial prosperity. Thank you for watching, and here's to building wealth, one intentional decision at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to help our podcast reach more people. Thank you for your support, and may you all have a peaceful day.